Evening, everybody on TikTok. Good evening, everybody on YouTube. Just getting things fired up. Going to make a 14 symbol call out. I'm not going to take too long. I'll be off pretty quick tonight. It was kind of blurry there. Sorry if it's blurry on YouTube. I have no idea why. I think TikTok's clear. Good evening, LT. Good evening, Bootlegger. Good evening, Shash. Good evening, everybody on TikTok and YouTube. All right, I'm going to make a few call outs, get done kind of early. Not going to stay on long unless you guys have some questions. We absolutely had a wonderfully beautiful day. Matter of factly, I'm going to close this out. 1 minute bust up with blue lines, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, all stops. Let me see. 5 minute bust. Yeah, I can take these off. Let's go ahead and stop this. I record every session. Well, I usually record every session, but I'm recording every session so that we can 6:27. So I can get the correct 6. And let's take a look at this section. One of the things you guys got to start doing to learn from your trading is to record your sessions, and then you can always play them back. You should record every trading session you ever do. Speaking of which, I'm going to go ahead and print it again. Go ahead and record that screen again. I'm going to go back in a second. Now let's take a look. As you guys are looking over here, you can see it's live. And then this is the recording from my last day. This is 23 hours, like 53 minutes. So what you're seeing right here, if I can get to it clearly for you, is the recording of our trading day in session. Now, I think we're going to have to be okay, but let me see something really quick on that. I might have to pull it, but we'll see. Let me see if I can find it. I'll pull it back over for us. Hold on. I'm going to show you the 2 out of the 3 scanner here in a second. Here's one. Here's the 2 out of the 3 scanner and how we use it here. This isn't live. Where's our little thing at? Record. Now I'm recording a recording of a recorder. Good luck with that shit. All right, let's see. So right here, you're going to see on the recording that earlier today it was 2 out of the 3 red. And no, we just don't always trade blue lines. I'm trying to get you guys the safest trades since you guys, some of you are having troubles. And then we would go ahead and look for a sell on SPX to the blue line, and if that came through, and that's what we do. So let me go ahead and get that done for us. Hold on 1 second. And we'll call that. All right. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at that. Yep, and there it returned. So that's all. You'll learn how to use that scanner in the future. And I'll review that multiple times, make sure the entries were correct on the scalping system. And then that's all. So that's what I do, and you guys should do the same. You should record your sessions, see how you're doing with everything, and then make your decisions if you need to change things or not. Currently not in any trades on this account. The buy stop on SPX worked out fantastically well. So did the trade from 3 o'clock this morning that some person had the nerve to complain about. It was only 15 pips, and then it ended up to be over, well, we can go to it. It ended up being over 120 pips on NAS. Yep, here it is right here. This is the trade up 200 pips, actually, to be clear. So the 15 pips turned into over 200 pips. Wow. and the guy was trying to complain about it. I would have loved to read his name out to you, but whatever, that didn't happen. So. All right, now let's go ahead and get going here. What do we have? Oh, good evening, everybody. Sorry. Good evening, Annie Apple. Annie Apple says, buy the system is the best thing I did. Thank you, Annie. Appreciate that. Uh, we have over here on YouTube. Hi, LT. Good evening, Bootlegger. Good evening, Shashigan. Good evening, Stevie Haynes. Good evening, D Nice. What's up, Rob Ruthius? Good evening, Lachey. Good evening, Loco. Good evening, Tide. Good evening, Dale. Good evening, Angela. Good morning, Mom. Good evening, Mom. Angela Taylor. Precious. Good evening, Henry Chasen. Good evening, Apollonia. Good evening, Patrick. Good evening, Ashton. Thank you, Patrick. Kev, look at the 1 hour self-stop and go as well was lovely. Okay, sure. We're going to look at those because we're going to call out gold right now, along with several others. But as you can see, currently, the scanner is all indices. That would be NAS, US 30, and SPX, and just wait for that. All right, now let's start with gold 1 hour and see what it looks like since someone asked. 1 hour. This gold line is where we had left off at. Left you all off at today earlier. So 1 hour. 1 hour, 4 hour. 1 hour, 4 hour fill in the gap. Gold's going down to. I thought I mentioned this, right? This is the call I made, and it's a to the gap 4 hour sell stop, and there it is. Yeah, beautiful little thing and daily buy. So let's take a gold. 1 minute. 1 minute buy stop. Where's she going to? Oh, 1 minute buy stop to the blue line. Gold. 5 minute nothing. 15 minute. 15 minute. 30 minute sell stop. It's going to go up. It's going to go up and touch the 30 minute next. 30 minute. Gold will go up. Price will go up. Touch this 30 minute line. You'll see this turn from red to green. The bullshit detector indicator will turn green. It'll be red, 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 green, red, red. They'll arch up over to here. Then it will come back down again, probably completing its 4 hour sell stop to the blue line at that point, I would imagine. Yeah, it'll probably go down there on this next push. And then daily, weekly buy stop gold. And that's it. So that is gold. U.S. oil, 1 minute. I guess I can start getting rid of that maybe. Then we'll see. 1 minute. Let me see something else here. Oil. 1 minute buy stop to the blue line. U.S. oil. 5 minute. It's going to arch up to the 15 minute. It's going to form a 15 minute sell stop. U.S. oil. After that, look at the 1 hour oil today. Thing of perfection. It was a 1 hour, and I'm sure that's a 4 hour down there too, right? No, it is not. So there's 1 hour, 4 hour not to the blue line. Still did perfectly, behaved perfectly. Should have caught all that. Daily nothing oil. Weekly buy stop oil. Through the monthly. It's a weekly, monthly buy stop. I know that's too long. No one cares about that shit. XRP. How did she do today? 47 going down the blue line. Already touched it. 1 minute nothing. Fill in the gap. Yeah. To touch the 5 minute buy stop blue line that we called out for XRP. That's freaking awesome. Now XRP executing. It's going to go into its 1 hour. 1 hour sell stop XRP. To the 4 hour blue line XRP, daily buy stop to the blue line XRP, weekly sell stop XRP, monthly buy stop XRP. Ethereum and Bitcoin run together. Whatever Bitcoin does, Ethereum follows. Basically, you've already missed the 1 minute. Let me see something on that 1 minute. 1 minute sell stop on the cap. 1 minute, 1 minute. Do 1 minute sell stops in Ethereum to the 15 minute blue line. One hour, 4 hour buy, daily buy, weekly sell stop Ethereum to the blue line, monthly buy stop Ethereum, Bitcoin will be the same as Ethereum always is. There it is, 1 minute sell stop to the 5 minute blue line, close enough either or. Bitcoin 1 minute sell stop to the 5 minute blue line, then it will form us a 1 hour buy stop Bitcoin, and then it will form a, too late on the daily, weekly sell stop Bitcoin, monthly buy stop Bitcoin. USD CAD. What do we got? A 1 minute buy to the blue line? No, we do not. Interesting. Let me see something. Nope. Clean. Yeah. 1 minute sell stop to USD CAD blue line. Wait for it to flip. It's going to keep going up a little bit probably for the next several hours. But that is a 1 minute sell stop, and wait for it to come down to the blue line. That's all I would do. It's too high away from the 15-minute here. Then it'll form a 30-minute buy stop, and then it'll form a 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop, and then nothing. Weekly buy stop USD CAD to the monthly blue line USD CAD. Okay, this is really not working out. This has to be good. All right, UDA USD chef. Let's see what's happening. I haven't looked at that. It is still a 4 hour sell stop, and USD chef is always the opposite of ERUSD, proving the system 100% accurate. Look at that buy. So hold on a second while I check something out. So UDA chef is the opposite of ERUSD. So whatever I call out for ERUSD is always the opposite. Okay, so let's take a look here. $900. Cool. We're up $900 on those buys, longs on the nadex.com on ERUSD from earlier, from Monday actually. On Monday we called it back here, and of course it's way up, so we're doing fantastic on those. So ERUSD then, here we go. ERUSD. 1 minute. Sell stop to the blue line. Play any 1 minute sell stop to the 1 minute blue line. 5 minute. It's going to form a 15-minute buy stop. Technically, I think it's going to do the 1 hour next. Whichever. You're going to see, I'll draw it out for you to be specific. Price will come from under, come up. It's going to arch, come back down here, and hook and go back up again. And that's the way I see that one playing out. And that is ERUSD. So price will come down to this red line on the hourly, forming a new 1 hour buy stop in ERUSD. So it's green, 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 green. This will turn to red. These will stay green. You'll see it come down, touch here, and hook and come back up. ERUSD 4 hours buy stop. You're too late, and it's going to the daily blue line, which I called out in the trade. It's a demo trade, but nonetheless a real trade. Well, I mean, real results. Weekly sell stop to the monthly blue line ERUSD. It's going to go down and come down below the blue line. That's when they're going to bring in their greatness that they call the digital dollar. Good luck with that. Okay, GBP USD. 1 minute sell stop to the blue line. GBP USD. 15-minute buy. Already did it. 30 minutes. It's going to form a 30-minute buy stop overnight. And then it's going to form that 4 hour buy stop to the daily blue line. Weekly sell stop to ERUSD monthly blue line. GBP New Zealand, 1 minute. Obviously it's a buy stop. I don't know where we're headed to, but nope, not there. GBP New Zealand is cranking. Look at this. Buy stop, nothing we can really do. 1 hour buy, probably a 4 hour buy. Yeah, this is a 4 hour buy. I'm going to call it 1 minute sell stop. If you want to play those, look for those a little later. In a couple hours, it'll come down. Weekly, nothing. And I'm not calling anything else. GBP JPY. Boy, we had a fun ride with that the last several months. 1 minute sell stop to the blue line. Hell, play a 1 minute sell stop to the 5 minute blue line, probably. Then it will form a next one up. Looks like it's going to form a 30-minute 4 hour. Wow. It might keep going down and form either a 1 hour buy stop or a 4 hour buy stop, depending. Hmm. Hmm. Well, I'm not playing it, so I'm not that concerned. Daily nothing. It was a weekly buy stop to the monthly blue line, and it went up there and touched that. SPX, 1 minute. I already called this 1 minute sell stops to the blue line. They're all going to go down and touch their blue lines. You're already in the money if you listen to that one. 5 minute. It's going to come down and form a 15-minute buy stop. So SPX. Well, let me see what the rest of the other two are doing here. Hold on. NAS. 1 minute. Sell stop to the blue line. Yes, sir, Bob. 1 minute sell stops to the blue line on NAS. And it's going to also form a 15-minute buy stop. That's all you really need to know. US 30. 1 minute sell stop. And what is it going to form? 5 minute? 15. 15-minute buy stops. Yeah. So those are easy. I'll type those out for you. I'll even draw them out for you in a second here. 1 minute. Nope. One. Hold on. Let me get an actual keyboard over here. 1 minute sell stops, 2 blue lines. Then 15. I think it's going to be 15/30-minute buy stops. Let me see what we got though for real. Let's see if we can get that a little clearer. Because I don't think we ever touched the sell for that US 30. Hold on a second on US 30. Let me see something. Give me a minute. But, okay, it did go below. Now, where did NAS go though? See, it did not. Well, is it still rising? Hold on. I can take away this one. Hold on a second. Which, by the way, that I left you in an SPX buy stop on YouTube. The last thing I called was a 1 minute SPX buy stop, and holy shit, did that thing make a lot of pips for you guys. 1 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour sell, 4 hour sell, 1 hour buy, 1 hour sell, 1 hour sell, 4 hour buy. Hold on. Let me see. US 30. 1 hour buy. 1 hour sell. 4 hour buy. 1 hour sell. I'll go one step further for you guys so we can play this out a little longer. 1 hour sell stop. 4 hour buy stop. So whatever time frame you guys like to trade on, look into those charts so you can see which ones you want. All right, now that makes me feel a little better about things. Let's see what's most likely. This one. No, it's still going to drop down right now. If it rises up, there is a, with a 1 minute sell, it can flip around and come to this 5 minute buy. I just don't think so. I think it's going to come down. Let me draw it. Price comes under. This is our logo. Price comes under, told to come up. It's going to come down here, go below this, hook and come back up, probably, which would mean then wait for it to happen. If it doesn't occur, you don't lose any money. We have the box, the most important indicator in the history of the world, will stay green. This will turn red. This will be green, 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 and then it will hook and come back up. When later, probably around the London session, 3:30 or so, or maybe even past that, it'll do that. I don't know. I mean, I'd have to really look into that. I'm too tired. I don't feel like doing that shit. So I did draw that out for you. Okay. So that's what I see happening. Play any of these 1 minute sell stops down to their blue lines. If you had the scanner, even if you have the other scanner, you can wait for them to start calling out those trade sell stops too, by the way. All right. Did I miss anything on thing? YouTube. Good evening, Apollonia, Henry, Patrick, Astra. Kev, look in the gold. I did. Thank you, D-House. Bootlegger, I'll take 15 pips, right? Chosen one. Annie Landlade, LaLand. Good evening, Annie. Good evening, Chosen One. Good evening, Stacey. Good evening, Kim Arrington. I was in the 1 minute buy, but it took me out. So now I need to wait to re-enter. Which trade was that, Kimberly? What we got over here, we have Annie. Good evening, Baz. This is the best in the world. XAU Gold. What's up, Mohammed? XAUSD gold. We already did gold, but I can do it again for you, no problem. Gold is officially, let's get through it to be clear. Hold on. 1 minute buy stop to the blue line. It's perfection, actually. That's short term 1 minute buy stop to the blue line. Yep, absolutely. It's going to form, probably it's going to form a, it already did 15. I'm going to say 30-minute sell stop. And then this time it's going to finish it going down to the 4-hour blue line on gold. Daily buy stop on gold. Forming it on the weekly too, just to be clear. And that's what gold's going to do. So buy stop to the blue line, forming a 15-minute sell stop. And if it goes down before then, just put your sell stop line in below here and just wait. I mean, there's more than one way to, trade any one of these things. I don't understand all the questions people have. I don't know. All right. Good evening, Raider Trader. Gold. 1 minute. I was in the 1 minute. Oh, let's take a look at gold. She just asked. Thank you, Kim. I should have known gold, huh, Kim? Yep, dip down. You should re-enter if this stays with the Bach broke. What's the 5 minute showing? Green. So it's overriding that. So that is actually still a buy stop. And you'd be actually, I'm sure you'd be back in the money if you re-entered back in. Yeah, we'll just wait. I mean, just patience. This isn't anything that, you guys need to lose sleep over. It's late. I hate trading late. I'm making these calls out for you. So basically you can see, because every day now, I'm in the mornings, I come back on these things, and there's 13 hours later, and they're correct. So it cracks me up every damn day. It's the same thing. But so for instance, in this case, it went up all day long. Well, they drew it too far away, indices by day. So they drew the indices too far away from their 15-minute lines. They made it too far away on the 30-minute lines. So overnight, or this evening, or whatever time it is in your guys' land, they'll pull it back down. And that's all they're going to do. And they'll make it go down. You'll see the scanner right here, the most, greatest scanner ever. You'll see probably US 30 turn red first, it looks like to me. You'll see a 1 up here, and these will change to 2. And then you'll see, I don't know at that point, let's just say NAS turned to red. That'll be 2 out of 3. And then the green will be here, and you'll play the SPX sell stop. Hopefully, if you ever get the sniper edition, you'll play a sniper sell stop to the SPX 1 minute blue line. You'll make your money. And that's the only trade you need to make a day, and it'll do it probably 2-3 times a day. If you're lucky, you'll get a 5-minute trade in there each day. And then the 15 minutes, 30 minutes, whatever. They've been that way. The 30-minute NAS and SPX have been that way for 2 weeks. The 1 hour for 2 weeks. The H4 for 2 weeks. The hour 4 has been for 2 weeks. So, yeah, it's going to take a minute. But in the meantime, make the money on that little down. And you should be done with the trades. You shouldn't even be trading after I call out a 15 pip trade, and then it goes over to 200. I don't even know why you guys are still trading today or tomorrow or whatever day it is. I wouldn't. But I do with you guys just for fun. All right, TikTok, any questions? Kevin went through training 3 weeks ago on 114 straight day. Nice, Crypto Fox Indy. Congratulations. Nice. Thanks for helping us. You're welcome, Astra. Thank you for being here. That is fantastic. So Crypto Fox Indy went through training 3 weeks ago. 14 wins. First of all, it's too much trading, but it's still fantastic. XAU, brother, did you see it's going up? I told you exactly what it was, Mohammed. I would take 15 pips and grateful any day. Right, Dragon? I sent that email out to everybody at 3:15 this morning. Literally in an email. Okay, good. Literally in an email. And hold on, I'm trying to find it where I put it at. Let me see. At 3:30 in the morning, told him what I was going to do, and then the dude still was a little bit on the ungrateful side. I was cracking up. I was like, are you kidding me? Let's take a look. This is the email chain that it goes out from through Stan, which is a fantastic store. Don't forget, we're senior ambassadors. You must call Bri Ambassador Bri. No, I'm just teasing. We're not fucking like that. So look, advanced training. No. Where was it? Hold on. Let's get over here so you guys can see everything. Since 6 hours ago. Nope. Let's refresh this. All right. Here are our, this is the Stan store email flows. Thank God. Just want to make sure I have the right thing. All right. Going live, will you please? That NAS is up 15 pips. So 9 hours ago, 12 hours ago, so 9 hours ago. Let's go over here. What you have just all, thank God you're all in money. Buy stop. So 18 hours ago, roughly 3:30 in the morning, I sent out an email to 1,153 of the people that are my alerts. 1,153, 42% of you opened up the email at 3:30 in the morning, or 3:15, 3:16 in the morning. In that email, I literally and not figuratively told you exactly the time and what to do buy stop. If you'd have took that, you'd have saw, thank God you're all in profits, 15 pips. We had some moron actually complain about that. Well, in the meantime, that 15 pips turned into over 200 pips today. 52% of you opened up that email at around 3:30, and then what you have just all witnessed, 60% of you opened that up around 4 o'clock a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Isn't that crazy? So those are the emails that were sent out, time stamped, told you when to get in, and told you how to stay in. You just close one, keep one open, let it run. Crazy how people were, one person in particular wrote us with being ungrateful. I was like, get out of here. Clown world we're living in. Clown, 1 minute sell stop NAS, the blue line fill in the gap. And no, you don't have to learn fill in the gap. That's nothing you need to know. And I don't know why you're bothering people like Patrick and other people trying to find out information that's already been taught to you through your training things or whatever. OGK 15 tips can be life changing. I know, right? Absolutely. People don't understand. They think 15 pips on the system is nothing. 15 pips is 10 pips is life changing for every day professional day trader. That's all they make in a day is 10. 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. Nice, Crypto. You've been trading all day, brother. Congratulations. Never hit more than 2 in a row. Couldn't stop. Crypto. Great job, Crypto Fox. I'm very happy. Hey, Crypto Fox, you really want to learn it? Shoot us an email with your phone number, and then come on. Make sure it's a U.S. number, and then come on and teach people. We have 2 people that are coming on. Tomorrow is Dr. Harry. Wednesday is Dr. Harry. He'll be on at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time as a co-host, teaching us his way of trading, or our way of trading, his interpretation of what we're doing with trading, making sure he's good on it. He's going to teach you the safety trade system. And then Lauren will be on Thursday at 9 a.m. And she'll also be teaching you. So we have 2 co-hosts coming up, one tomorrow and one on Thursday. And then if anyone else would like to co-host, what you have to do is you buy the system. So you come over to here and you actually buy the system. Then you have to unlearn everything that you thought you knew about trading, right? And then after you unlearn the system that you used to follow, which would be Fibonacci retracements, look to the left, ascending and wedges and all that bullshit. Unlearn that, you relearn the correct way to trade, which is a safety trade system. And then in order to master it, you would then teach it. So you can just, you don't have to buy the system from somebody else, you just teach the system to someone else. Once you start teaching it to someone else, making the 14 call outs in a day, like I do every day, twice a day, you'll learn how to master the system, make it so you can do anything you want with it, basically. And that's what you do. So anybody that wants to go ahead and teach other people on our lives, I'm going to go ahead and once a week. This week was twice, but I'm limiting it down to once a week. And then people will come on and they'll share their story with you. Got way too much more. No, you don't, Crypto. You're doing great. You should come on. But that's fine. Peter P., what's up, brother? Where you been? Good evening, Raider Trader. Hi, Kevin. NAS 30-minute going to be good. Thanks for everything. The scanner is priceless. NAS sell stop 1 minute, 30-minute going to be good. Thanks. Yes, Ryan. Hit the likes, everyone. Thank you, Peter P. Hell, if I got 15 pips for getting this system, I would have been jumping up and down for joy. I know, right? There's just so many people that are just ungrateful, though. It just drives you nuts in this world. Just being a hater. You know how people are. They're just being douches. It's a broken buy, but it's still a buy. We have to let gold hook down and form this W, I believe. You're going to see it come down a little bit on gold in a minute, and then it'll hook back up again. That's the way I'm seeing that. Good evening, Jeremy. Powers in Oklahoma storm season. Oh, geez, Peter Beer. Stay safe, and I hope you have some kind of underground shelter out there. Peter P said at Oklahoma there's storm season now. Wow. What's up, Dr. Bianca Adams? Hello. Is the scanner room still available to purchase? Absolutely, Whiskey Fishing Guy. You just have to own the system, and then you can do that. Absolutely. Once you buy the system, you can still get the scanners. Let's unleash the full power of the scanners, by the way, because you guys on TikTok to be able to see this in all its glory. All right, here we go. I wish if you guys were on YouTube. Look at Bitcoin Doge. Look at it bleeding. Okay, I got to pull this one over. Hold on. Let's pull this over. That's too much. Look at these trades flashing. Woo! I'm going to go ahead and say my 1 minute stop. Look at them. Look at them. Boom, 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 boom. Damn. Look at them. Flashing red. Look at that. Nice. But at any rate, let me go back out of there. If you guys are on YouTube, you should over to TikTok and watch the power of the scanner right now. And be stunned in amazement. Look at that. It's like, look at that. It's like some kind of train or something. What the heck? Boom, boom, boom. Look at all that red. That is crazy. Bleeding red in the crypto world. Look at it. Holy shit. That is psychotically crazy. Wow. All right. Well, anywho, let's get off crypto here. It also trades all indices. There's a new XPT. It also trades platinum, oil, U.S. oil, all the different Australian. I did check those ones. ESP 35. I don't even know what that is. EUS TX50. The scanner looks at all these things, and there's an XPT buy stop right there. It's taking consideration 2 time frames. Basically, it trades better than 90% of everybody that's ever bought the system because it trades like me. I got to be honest with you. I'm not trying to be conceited, but it does. New Zealand CAD. Look at that new 1 minute sell stop. Beep. Let's see what else we got. All crosses, all Forex crosses, and all Forex majors are in the scanner rooms. There's one right here. New Zealand CAD, same one. And there it is. Let's go over to our, well, we already did crypto. So the stocks are closed, but it trades over 55, all 8 time frames, 55 different stocks, all at the same. It's tracking all of these for you. Now, not everybody likes to trade like this, so the scanner rooms aren't for everybody. But boy, is it amazing. Look at it. Crazy. And then, of course, you have the top 10 rooms is where I would stick in. I would be in the indices top 10 1 hours, and I would never come out of it. I would be in the top 10 1 hours. There's a 30 right here. I would stay in this. I do. When I'm not trading with you guys, I leave this open. This is where I'd be. I'm waiting for these things to form, the SS1s or SS3s or the BS1s or BS3s, and I'd be in those trades. Look at the power of that scanner. I hope you guys can appreciate that. Let's see. Why does it look like... Kimberly's saying there goes gold. Let's see. Yep. Gold 1 minute buy stops in the money if you took that trade. And you can see on the scalper right here. Scalper, no scalping. No scalping. Let me take away this little trade. Look right here. This right here. The pink broke the purple, heading up to the yellow line. There it is. Boop. First time you should get out would be right now. You should take profit on that one, actually, the previous one. Leave one open, and then let it do it again. But, you know, it's late. It's afternoon. This is ridiculous. I wouldn't trade these, to be honest with you. But you guys do what you want. You guys do what you want. Let me go over the US 30 again. Sell stop US 30 to the blue line. Yep. NAS still forming its sell stop. NAS is. SPX still forming its too, so we just wait. And I do have some long-term buys on SPX, the only one I have left actually. Patrick and just printing money. There you go. Cool. Yep, power went out. Also lucky they got it back on pretty quick in my area. Nice holder. Good evening, Jennifer. Good evening, Jeremy Lowe. Glad you guys are safe. I have a launcher and a cooler. It's Peter P. Peter. Dude, you've been making a lot of money. Go ahead and put in one of those damn gone storm shelters. Spend some money on that, bro, man. If I lived in Oklahoma in Storm Alley, I would. It's a lawn chair in the corner. Nut. SPX for in 1 minute. Thank you, Patrick. It's impressive. Just print money when you do. Wow, what is this going to do with us? Wow, what is that going to do with us? I don't know what you're asking, C. Kells. I don't know what part you were asking. I'm sorry, I wasn't watching that screen. What's the price for Canada person system? $50 for 2 months. What's up, Paul? For $50 a month for 2 rooms. You pick the 2 rooms you want to be in. Wow, what is that going to do with us? I don't know what you're asking. SPX forming. Okay. Anybody on TikTok have any questions? LT. Yeah. Alert sensor time frame. What you're looking at on the scanner is the scanner itself. They have rooms. So if you get the advanced VIP room, you can pick this, where you can go in like the Forex top 10s. Look at that. So right here in the indices top 10s, you can see oil and XPT, platinum going to other directions. You can watch 1 minute. You can watch 5 minutes. You can watch 15. You can watch 30 minutes. But I would be sticking right here in these hours. And I would play every damn one of them that was SS1 or SS3. And I would look at them, compare what I need to do, and then boom, jump right in it. Look at this Japan 225 SS1. I don't know when this broke. I don't know, have any alert was June the 27th. So today we can go. Let's take a look at that Japan one. I'm hesitant because I don't know what time period and when it was. I've never looked at Japan lately or ever. Maybe I have no idea. Let's see if we can pull it up real quick. Symbols. Let's go over to here. Indices. Nope, not even open. Here we go. There we go. Let's take a look at it. And it said 1 hour, was it? Oh yeah, 1 hour sell stop. Absolutely. Let me see what it compares on the 4 hour. If you don't want to do it 4 hour buy stop, but it's going to do a 1 hour sell. It absolutely is. 1 minute sell stop to the blue line, Japan 225. 5 minute buy stop to the blue line, Japan 225. 15 minute to the for the second time, 15 minute buy stop, Japan 225 to the 15 minute blue line. Then it's now a 1 hour sell stop. That is correct. And then it's too far away on the daily, weekly, and monthly. Yeah, there's nothing I can do. But that was a correct call. Great job, scanner. Here you go. And 1 minute sell on US 30. 5 minute buy on US 30. But I still say it's going to drop down to the 15. If it doesn't drop down now, look for those sell stops later on in the day. It will drop down later on in the day. I got to pull those other ones up. Holy shit, open trades. All right, so there you go. Yeah, I'm taking the 1 minute SPX bonus. You only had the 2 pickers around towards would it be whiskey. I would pick if you're asking me or Patrick. Well, it depends. You're only allowed to choose from indices, Forex, crypto, and stocks. So I would choose indices and Forex. But if I had the VIP access for $200 a month, I'd be choosing the Forex top 10 and the indices top 10. And I would go to the 1 hours of each, and I leave them open. And that's how I would trade it. NAS, look, it just broke. NAS is saying, let me pull up NAS real quick, show you what it looks like. Yep, it just broke. So the scanner just called out a NAS. Look at it. There it is. Look how awesome this shit is. All day long you can make money if you want to. I trade more or less, sometimes I'm on at 6, but more or less from about 8:45 to about, I would say at the latest 11:45. So I'd say about 2-3 hours a day is what I trade. Now there's some days where I'm on 5-6 hours, I know, but that's it. Look at how cool that is. Red down arrow means red. SS1 means SS1 to the blue line. Confirmed on the 5 minute. ES3 means buy. That's our gold. So there you go. Isn't that cool? All right, guys. I'm out of here. Anyone else have any questions on TikTok? TikTok and heading over to YouTube for just a minute. Thank you guys on TikTok for being here. We're closing this off. Have a good night. God bless. Done. All right, YouTube. Anybody have any questions on thought you were getting alerts only for specific time frames you choose. Oh, no, that's not true. No, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to apply that. No. You would watch it, though. That's what you would do. All right. Anybody on YouTube have any questions? No, but I would be watching in those rooms for those alerts. That's what I'd have it on volume. I'd come out of the room. I'd go do whatever I wanted to do. I'd pull it up on my phone if I had to, or another computer in another office and do it that way. NAS 1 minute sell stop to the blue line. SPX 1 minute sell stop to the blue line. US 30 1 minute sell stop to the blue line. Gold. Yeah, see gold. It's reloading the 50 cal. It's got to come back down, hook, and come back up again to go to the blue line on the buy. That's why I was surprised it shot up a little bit, but just let it be. It's going to come back down and hook. 1 minute sell stop. US 30 to the blue line. NAS to the blue line. SPX to the blue line. And there you go. All right, guys. Everybody on YouTube, have a great night. We're out of here. See you in the morning. Have fun. Make some money on these calls. Watch it drop before your very eyes again and again and again. And then buy the damn system again and again and again. And then train somebody on it, because that's what you're going to need. On the 1 hour, how many pips do you go for? Marcus Mike Jones. All depends. I always open up 2, keep on running. On the 1 hours, though, you can make a shit ton. On that NAS one that was running, we were up 2,200 pips, 2,200 pips. Most time you can get to about 700-800 pretty easy on NAS or US 30. But if you're trading USD Chef, you get up maybe 50 or 100 pips. So it's just totally different. It depends on what symbol you're trading. Thanks, Kevin. Always learning with you. Thank you, Brian. All right. So everybody leaving you. Have a great night. God bless. Everybody have fun. Make some money. And then do good with your money. Talk to y'all tomorrow, Lord willing. Have a good night. God bless. Thank you for saying thank you, Henry. Boom.